Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to create a stunning and easy nature theme title slide in PowerPoint for 2025. Perfect for professional and personal presentation. So let's start the video. Click on Write, click on Format Background, choose Picture or Texture field, go to File, select and insert it. Select Rounded Rectangle. Click on Rotate, go to More Rotation option, make rotation size 45 degree. Put it here. Now, duplicate the shape, increase its size, go to Insert, click on Picture, select and insert it. Right click, then Send to Back. Select all three, go to Format and select Subtract from Merge Shape. Right click, go to Format Picture, select Inner Shadow from Preset. Increase the blur size to 100%. Select text box, type your title, for example, nature. Adjust the size to make it stand out. Make it bold, adjust the spacing between character. And center your content. Change the color using eyedropper. Please add a little information here. Now click on slideshow and that's it. You have just created a beautiful nature theme title slide design for 2025 in PowerPoint. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video for more amazing content. Thank you.